session we are going to explore the views. Okay, what is the view, what are the views, what is the purpose of the views. Okay, view, which is the meaning of the view, which is a virtual copy of your list, or we can, in short, we can say it's just a visualization of your data as per the user requirement. Okay, as per the user requirement, we prepare or present the data. Okay, so at the end data is stored in a list, but what kind of data user expecting. Okay, so consider, as you can see in current list, you can see here the student repository is there, and in this student repository you can say here there are graduate student, here gender, department, date of birth. These are different columns, and location is also in one column there. Okay, so in this column, so consider this is one view. Okay, this is one view. When you create any list, automatically there is one view created for that list. What I'm saying, whenever you create any list, automatically you created one list. Okay, when you say create list in SharePoint, you know how to create list. Okay, so you create one view is created. Okay, one view is created. That view is called as default view, and the name of that default view is all, what is name, all items view. Okay, what is the name of that view? All items view. All items view, keep in mind. Okay, so whenever all you create any list, okay, it will automatically create one view which is called all items view. You create a list, or you can create file library. The one view will be automatically created, which is called all items view. As you know how we have created this Caesar student list, we have created this list. This is one list. Okay, we have created this list, but there, whenever you create list, as I have told you, there is all items view automatically created, and which is looking here. You can see here all items view. You can see here all items view. This is all items view, which is called as, and in short, this view is called as this view is called as, just a minute, this view is called as a default view. Okay, this view is called as a default view. In short, we call this view as a default. It will ask you, whenever you create any list, then what kind of view will create, then you will tell them that that view name is default view, or we call that view as a all items view. Means that a view name is all items view, and you can see here all items view. Okay, so I hope you can see the all items view. Whenever I click on here, okay, whenever I click here, you can see here all items. There is one view. Okay, so that is one view. Okay, means that is a default view, which is created whenever you create any list or library. Okay, but see, but means user will not satisfied on this view. User is saying, no, I don't like this view. So consider the imagine. Okay, so I will show you any mobile. Okay, what is your expectation, what is your view on that mobile? Someone say that I would like the this mobile needs to be with a good camera clarity. Okay, someone will say that this mobile needs to having good processor, good RAM, good storage. So everybody having different expectation on that mobile. Okay, on that mobile. So if you are going to purchase any mobile online, so there are some filtration criteria. Based on that, you purchase the mobile. Your expectation is storage. Someone say I want the RAM storage more than 5 GB. Someone say I want the storage memory 128 GB. Someone will say that I want the camera more than 64 megapixels. So these are the expectation. So what kind of the user expectation in a, consider in a repository, online market repository, there are having thousands of mobiles available for sale. But how to present filtered content as per the user requirement? What is the expectation of user? So if consider, user will say my expectation is I want the mobile with the 5G connectivity. Okay, so he click on that, he will see all the list of the 5G mobiles. Okay, so how it will be possible, how we can achieve it? Let's go ahead, and first thing, whenever we create any list, keep in mind that there is one view that will automatically created, which is called as default all items view. Okay, when right now I'm in a scene, I will go in a site content. You know, site content store all the contents of a list. Those are associated, all the contents associated with that site. We are in a student CS site. Okay, so in this site here we can see, what is the list name. Our earlier list name is, just a minute, the list name is Caesar student. Okay, Caesar student. Just again I will go back in a site contents. Here Caesar student. In Caesar student, as you can see here, uh, site content, I directly click on Caesar student. We go here, list it. Okay, so this is the site Caesar student already there. Okay, so there are different columns. As you can see, there are different columns: title, modified, created, student name, location, date of birth, graduation, gender, department. Okay, so as of now, what are the purpose of this column, so we'll discuss more details. Okay, so afterwards, so here you can see here one more section, the name is view, where I go in a list setting and you can see the view, and here you can see the all items as a, and already there is a default view is already clicked. It will support the mobile view, it will support the default mobile view. Okay, so you please try to understand, whenever you create any repository, list or library, it will automatically create the all items view. Okay, so one thing I hope you let me open that Caesar student list. One thing you observe that whenever I click on any list, and the default view is the all items view. So here we can see the all items view. There is one way to miss which view has been open, to check the which view is open. So you can check it from here or here, all items dot aspex. You can check URL. Okay, always keep in mind that URL show you which view you have opened. So this is about the view. Now this view contain, this view data is there, but what kind of representation, what kind of visualization of the data you want? Data will not get changed, data remain as it is, but the view means what kind of data user will require, the user specific user required data will present to the user. So how we'll present it, what are the different filtration criteria, how we can, there are different ways to present the data. Let's move. So here consider, these are the choice field, this is choice, this is choice, this is choice. Okay, these columns are choice, this location is, I think, text column. So this is the date time column. So let's move and discuss. So this is a student repository. Someone say, I want mtech people data only. User expectation, I want mtech people data only. So how you will create the view for that? Okay, so when we creating the view, click here, and here is a, you can see here, create new view. Okay, create new view, save view as, and edit current view, format current view. Okay, so we'll go one by one. I click on create new view. Once I click on create new view, so what, see, calendar show as calendar or list. Calendar means the calendar like square boxes. Okay, so if you want in a list format, you say list. Okay, so I will say my view is, consider Caesar make. Okay, make student. Okay, my view name is, sorry, not a make, tech, sorry, tech. Okay, tech student. Okay, so here, make this as a public view, means everyone can see that view. If this is a, make this as a public view, I will explain you. Make this as a public view means only the specific person who create that view. If I uncheck this, make this as public view, then only specific person can see that, then that view is called personal view. If you can keep as it is a public view, then everyone see this view as this is a public view. Okay, we come to that point also. So now I have just created the view. See, So as you can see, there is some slight changes. This column is date time is here. There is swapping of a columns. It will randomly put the data and display the data. Okay. So now what you can see here, what is the view name is the Caesar M text view created, and here you can see the student, or here all items you can see. Here you can see all items. You will say all items is displaying here, and you are saying, but here you can see the view ID. If here you can see the view ID, means there is something different view is associated with this, and this is a Caesar. So but my expectation is mtech student only. Mtech student only means who is that mtech student? So Anuja and Anchit needs to be there. Okay, but here all the data is presented here. So here you need to go here, say edit current view. Is there option edit current view? You can see edit current view. After clicking on the edit current view, you will go here. Okay, so this is a one way to edit the current view. Another way, again I will go back, I close this. Another way, go here, list setting. Here is my view Caesar MTech. So you can see here default view is this one. If you want to set a Caesar MTech as a default view, you can set. If you want to set a Caesar MTech as a default view, you can set. But as of now, we check how we can edit this our Caesar MTech view. Now I will go here in a edit view. Now here, what kind of visualization, what kind of data or presentation you want on your data? The expectation is I want to display the MTech student only. So here, what is the sequence of a column? So I will say yes, title needs to be this, but date of birth needs to be added down. First, let me arrange the ordering of the column. So here you can see the column ordering is not in correct format. So I want to, it needs to be, I open it a separate tab, my view. This is my Caesar MTech view. I open in a separate tab here, and here data sequence is not correct. You can see the sequence here. Title is at the first position. You can see the title is here as the first position. Second position date of birth, and third position is department. Okay, so here 1 2 3 department is that third, but I want to change the sequence. First position I want first position title is to be there, and I'll say second position is a student name. Okay, so third position I'll say third position required his location. Fourth position I want his gender. See, his gender here. I'll select the sequence fourth gender. Then what I want fifth position is a date of birth. Then sixth position, what details else details I want. So you can see there are many columns are there. Okay, so sixth position I want his department. Okay, department is sixth position. Sorry, let me check which column. Department is there. Then graduation and department. I will select first graduation is at the sixth position, and department is at the seventh position. It will automatically take it as the seventh position. Okay, so this is about the ordering of the column. Our column ordering has been done, but you may confuse that why these columns are there, unnecessary columns are there. Okay, we'll discuss on this afterwards. Why these titles, multiple title columns are there, what is the limitation table, what is the modified by. Okay, here lookups are there. See, location lookups are there. Okay, so we'll discuss on this point why I have created only 1 2 3 4 5 points, 5 columns, but why this is unnecessary columns associated with this. We'll discuss in coming sessions about the columns. Okay, why this is more, we'll discuss the default column on default column. Okay, so sorting is the important criteria. This you want ascending, descending, sorting. Okay, so you will say you want to sort by the character of the student name based on the character, this first character of the student name. So you need to select here. So it's a ascending means, then I'll select here student name, here student name. Okay, so student name, then means again after student name consider the multiple student having same name. Again you want to put any further criteria for again sort. This is, it's first it will sort on student name, again it will sort on different name. So I don't want it to sort. Again filtration criteria which plays the very important role in the views. means what kind of a filtered data. Earlier it's saying that show all items, but I don't want show all items. I want to filter the content, and I want to display the filter content. Here you can see today and me again populate here. So what it's saying, to filter on a column based on the current date and current user of the site, type today and me as a column value. Use index column in the first clause in order to speed up your view. We will come to this point and discuss on this how we can use the today and me. Okay, so here what I need to say, is I want to display only the MTech student. So graduation is equal to, let me check the MTech spelling, m.ech. So always keep in mind that there should not be any mistake. Okay, so there should not be any m.tech. Okay, I'll put here m.tech. Okay, so only one filtration criteria I have put. And okay, again I will explain. And you will say I want the Caesar MTech male candidate. So again I will go into the gender. So where is the gender? Here. Okay, let me check what is the spelling. Capital M. Okay, and I'll say EMA. Okay, or here different filtration criteria with a different condition: is equal to, is not equal to, is greater than, is less than, is begin with, is content. I can use the contents also. If I use only M tech, it will fetch that. Okay, so as of now M tech, I know that is a choice field, as these are the choice field. Okay, as these are the choice field. Okay, so because of the choice field, the text format will not get changed. Okay, this is not a single line. If single line, then user put the data as per his interpretation. Means someone say master in technology, someone put small am, but choice is there, means user need to select the drop down and data will be the correct format. Okay, so again we come up to this and I will say okay, we'll discuss these things, that we'll discuss on this. Okay, just a minute. First we save this and check that how my data will look like. Okay, so here I have saved. You can see there is only one MTech student who is having gender male, so what I did, I just put the filtration criteria and see here, this one also, this is the earlier view. Now I refresh it. Now see, you can see here Caesar MTech, male and gender MTech. That's only filtered data I can see. Okay, so again I am come, now we'll discuss on the remaining. So again I will go here Caesar MTech and edit current view. Go back, edit current view here. Now edit current view, scroll down. Now we understand that. Okay, so here if again you want to add multiple condition, how many condition we can put? See here, show more, show more, show more, show more, show more, show more. See, one, two, sorry, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here you can see 10 condition you can put on your list. How many condition? 10 condition. Here how many filtration criteria? 10 filter criteria you can add here. 10 filter criteria. Okay, so here and, or you can say and, then if you again add something, if you again add, someone say the inner Caesar MTech, let me display all items first, so that I know that what data we need to filter. So I display this. Now what criteria I'm MTech male. Okay, and after that what I need to say, here date of birth is after 8/1/19. So I will say I want the candidate whose the date of birth, or I want the MEC student department with the MEC. Okay, means MTech male MEC student, means there are two criteria, MTech, then we have applied, then again and MEC. Okay, so how I will do this? So I go here, Again I will refresh it. Okay, unnecessary I have put add different condition. I refresh this. Let me first refresh. Then here you can see again I need to say and show more columns, and then here I'll say department and I put make. Okay, make, and I'll say okay. Here you can see it will display the make data. Okay, okay, this we have added three conditions over there. Again we'll go back and edit current view. Here you can see here filter, and now here tabular view. Allow individual items checkbox. Allow individual item checkbox. What it means, here you can see checkbox are there. So here allow individual item checkbox is check. This here you can select the, now here only one item. Let me add new entry. What a checkbox will say. So Mr. Here RAM location Pune. I'll put one more entry in a mic so that you understand what is a checkbox. This is the date of birth. Select gender. Sorry, select MTech, gender male, department male, and save this. Okay. It will automatically pop up the location details, which location you want. Okay, so Pune. So here I have, you can see here. Here you can see checkbox. Here you can see check and edit. Means it will edit the specific item. It will edit the specific item. Again, this is a checkbox. If I want to delete multiple, I can say delete. But if you don't want this checkbox, okay, there is a called checkbox, but it's in circle format. Okay, no problem. So here I say allow individual item checkbox. Okay, see the difference. Huh? Now I have unchecked that. Then I check here. See here. Okay, so there is a no checkbox. I don't have rights to select individual items now. Again go back into the view, scissor intake, edit current view. Okay, so here again I scroll down. Now filter, tabular view, group by. This one is also very important thing. Okay, so you will say I want to group by the people. Consider here we have said make department. I will remove this condition. I will remove this condition for time being. I'll say none here. If I want to remove this condition, I'll say none. Okay, then it will get removed automatically. Now I will again check my this, and I will say here we have added see consider. I will change this name. Okay, so okay, what I do for better understanding, I will say here I will remove this condition also. No, save this, so that more item will display and you understand the what is the meaning of group by. Okay, so again I will go here back, edit current view. Okay, so here which condition is here, filter, there is a no condition. Okay, so I put only one condition here, gender, and how many students are there, male. Okay, male having multiple. Okay, so male. Okay, I put the filter condition male student, and you know the tabular view group by. So what is the group by? So group by I say based on department. Okay, based on department. Okay, so in a group by, how you want to display ascending or descending? First you understand the meaning of the group by. Okay, by default show collapse or expand. I will say collapse and I will explain you how it's do. Okay, so I save this, and now you will see the view. In that you can see there is a department. We apply the filtration criteria as a male candidate. How many department wise? Here you can see the make department. Here you can see the first what we did in this view. We say only male, and after that I say based on department group by. Group by means they group by the items. Here you can see the civil, mechanical, minicom, IT. There are different departments. and if I want to, I just click on that and it will expand. If you want to edit, you directly go as normal, you do the changes. Okay, if I change the gender male to the female, it will not it will get removed from this list, because we have applied the filtration criteria as a gender male. Okay, so I hope you understand the group by criteria, how we can group by. Again, I will go back in a list setting, and from here I'll refresh, and again I will click here Caesar MTech. Okay, so either you can do the edit from here, or list setting, views, scroll down, tabular view, and group by. You understand now? Here you can put again, if someone will say under the department, again add another group by criteria. What group by? Based on consider the department, then consider graduation. Okay, graduation. Okay, so again, group within a group, it's saying group, see group. Again here it is saying mtech, group within a group. Here you can say group within a group, mechanical and mtech student or btech student, whatever the graduation. Okay, so this is a group within a group. So that's why you can put the two level of, you can set the two level of groups. Okay, so you can directly go here and you can say edit current view. So view is a really good thing that through which we can display the required content to the user. Okay, again I scroll down. Now we will say total. Okay, so total average supported datasheet view only. So here date of birth. So here you can do some calculation on your that particular column. So what are kind of column calculation? You can say count, average, and maximum. So in the date, there's not a specific thing to calculate. So what I do, I will add one more column here. Okay, so in that I will put one more column and I will say currency, and I will make it as a fees paid. Okay, fees paid, and I currency type is currency. So decimal, keep it as, and we will put it as Indian rupee. So Indian rupee. Okay, value, and what I do, I will go in all items view, all items view. Okay, so here I put some information. First I need to edit current view because that column is not visible, so I need to go in all items view and add that column currency, sorry, fees paid. Where is the fees paid? Here, and I will save this column. Okay, so I just modify all items and I just put some fees paid information in fees paid column. So here, how many fees paid is by 2000, 8,000. Okay, okay. So these are the fees columns. I have put some fees paid column. Okay, I have filled the details. Fees paid, fees paid. Now here I will go back in my Caesar MTech view. Okay, Caesar MTech. So in a Caesar MTech, here Caesar MTech view, here you are in a Caesar MTech view. Okay, so Caesar MTech view. So I think we have group by criteria. It's based on department. Okay, so after that I will say fees paid column name fees paid. Let me refresh. Okay, because that fees paid column is not visible here. See, MTech. Let me change this. Graduation is equal to MTech. Okay, remaining things I'll say none. And group by, you understand the group by, I'll say the group by. graduation. Okay, not group by department. I'll do the department. Okay, so here you know the now it's in total. Here fees paid, and I'll say sum, average, count. I'll say sum. Okay, sum means it will show me the sum of the fees paid. Now here you can see. Okay, department com mac. Okay, so here if we scroll here, you can see how many fees paid and total fees. Total fees here 9,000. If I scroll here and here expand this, you can see here. So this is a mechanical department, their sum, and this is the total sum from all the departments based on our filtration criteria. You will get the sum of the value. Okay, so here sum of the value is displayed at the bottom. Here you can see this display at the bottom. Okay, so it will display the sum of. If you put only I have group by, if don't want the group by, you can see here. I scroll here, you can see the sum here. So based on that I understand that how many fees paid. Okay, so again I go back here again, edit current view. I close remaining tab. Remaining tabs are there. Now again I go back here. So I hope so you understand what is the purpose of total. You can do the sum, you can do the average and all those things. Okay, so here style, what kind of, I'll say box. So means what is the look and feel of your list. I'll say box or shaded. Okay, I say box. You feel the difference. You want the folder, show the atoms inside the folder, show atoms without the folder. Okay, so what is the purpose of this atoms, show atoms in folder? If there is a folder is there, then show atoms inside the folder, show all atoms without the folder. Okay, so if there is a folders are there but still you want to display the item outside the folder, you can display the item outside the folder. We'll discuss on the folders. Atom limit means how many atoms you want to display. If I'll say only one atom will display on a page at a time, display in a batches of the specific size, limit the total number of items returned to the on a specified amount. Okay, so if you do this change, limit the, it will items return on a specified amount, means it will retrieve the maximum is up to 100 items if you set this. Okay, up to the 100 items. Or if you click here and say I want to display only one item, we'll see is how it will display. You want to enable it for mobile view? Yes. Make view as a default view and mobile access? Yes. Means if someone access your list, it will automatically open it in a mobile view. Okay, field to be displayed on a mobile. On a mobile there is a screen size is short, so I need to display that, you need to display title or student name, because in the mobile screen size is short, it can be display only one column. Once you click on that column, it will display the entire data. So up to this we have filled these details. Okay, so here I scroll up and here you can say make this as a default view. Okay, applied to the public view only, means make this as a default view. If you say make, yes I want to make it as default view, whenever person will click on that list, it will open the Caesar MTech. Now I have made it as a default. We will go back. Okay, default view. Now I show you what changes we have made. Okay, so first is we have changed the style as a box. So you can see here first thing, here you can see box view, that's why it's changing the background and all. So let me, actually that effect is not visible because we did the grouping here. Let me remove the grouping so that you understand how it will look. Okay, so I will remove the grouping, group here, group by, and I'll say none. Okay, and I'll say okay, so it will display the atoms here. See, I have said display only one atom. Now here it displaying the three atoms. It displaying the three atoms at a time. But my expectation is only display the one atom at a time. So I did that change here, but it's not reflected here. How many atoms you want to display? Just a moment. We'll check that. Here you can see atom limit option is there, and you say limit the total number of atoms to display the atoms in a batch of specified size. Why it's not displaying only one? Number of orders of view web part, I'll say one. Here also it's in mobile view also. Okay, I check that. Okay, okay, here you can see only one atom is displayed here, only one atom is displaying here. So what about the other atoms? Only one atom is displaying here. What about the other atoms? Other atoms are not getting displayed here. I want to scroll in other atoms, but it's not displaying here. Again I will go in a view, say edit current view, edit current view. In edit current view, let's me check what mistake we did. I just remove send group by none and total. Let me show you total. It is as none. Okay, because I have said atom limit 1, but it's displaying the 1, but I'm not able to navigate to the next atom. So here I don't have the option to navigate to the next atom. Okay, you can see, is there any option to go to the next atom? No, there is no option to navigate to the. So here you can see this is called a bug. Okay, this is called bug. So here in, as I have filter, you know that this mtech having 3 to 4 atoms, but here only one atoms having display. And I, in the list setting, what I did, in a list setting, atom limit, here atom limit, here atom limit is, if you can see, atom limit is the 1. Let me check this out. Let me do this change and check display atom in a batch specific number size, but still it's not showing me the navigation buttons. There needs to be some navigation, next. Okay, there needs to be some navigation, but it's not displaying. So atom limit is not working as per expectation. Okay, so Microsoft will fix that issue, or there might be some issue in that. Okay, no need to worry about on that. So if you want to escalate this point to the Microsoft, you can raise this point to the Microsoft support, as earlier we discussed how to raise the query to the Microsoft. Okay, so as of now this is about the view. Okay, so we can create different kind of a view here. So as we understand all the properties of the view. Now what I do, the view we have created here, which is the public view, now whenever we create any other view, okay, save view as, if, or create new, you understand, save view as, if I click here on save view as, save current view to type a new name. So I will say btech. Okay, see here what I'm doing, I'm saving this view caesar with a different name. Here I say public view. The public view means this view will be visible to everyone. And if you say uncheck this public view, then that view will be visible to specific to the person who created this is Caesar India Raju person created this view. That person can see that. Okay, so I will go and say Caesar Bitek. Okay, so here I have created save as btech view. Now means I have replicate same view as it is, means Caesar btech here. Now what I need to do, I say edit current view, and just means I have made a copy of existing view. And what I do, I just change the btech to the here mtech to btech. Okay, so my purpose is finish. Okay, so what I did, I just changed the filtration criteria btech here. Now I can see all the btech people and few newbies see the btech. What I did, I just save this old view, save this mtech view into the save as, and created the btech view. So you understand what is the meaning of save as. Set current view as the default view. You know that set current, if I set current view as the default view, means what happening, means I click here, Caesar student, it will not open my all items view. It will open, see here, Caesar btech student.aspx, Caesar btech student.aspx. Because what I said This is as a default view, and by default whenever we use the SharePoint, it will create the site, it automatically all items is the default view in that. Okay, so up to this there is a noise, sorry guys. So next thing, moving ahead, you understand the concept of a default view. I will ask you again, I will click here, create view, save as, edit current view. You know the how to for edit, format current view. Okay, format current view, I click on the format current view. The meaning of the format current view is what kind of, if I go in advanced mode, it will display here what kind of a layout. I say gallery, display me like the gallery view, but generally people required in list view. Format column, okay, so choose the columns, say location. So if you want to put some JSON against it, you can put some JSONs on that. Will not in JSON, we'll discuss on the JSON. Okay, so the that you understand the mini format current view is specific to the some UI specific changes you want to do, you can do the changes on it. As of now we have created two views, one is a BTEC view, one is a MTech view. One is a BTEC view and one shortly I will quickly show you. I have, this is my student site and I want to display means some people want the specific data expectation, some people wants the MTech people list, some people want the BTech people list. So how we can do? So here is my page, this is my home page. Okay, so I just click on that and I want to put two tabs. One tab is redirecting to the MTech people, one is show me the BTech people. Okay, so what I do, as you know, we have explored earlier and I say quick link here. I put some quick link here, quick link sites. Let me check the, just a minute. Hero web part is there. We'll discuss on each thing here. Quick link is there. Okay, I just want to here. So so I have list here. Okay, so here BTech, I just copy this. I just copy this btech.aspx here. You can see, let me change, refresh it. If I change here, see, I check MTech. First we'll display the MTech. Okay, so I just copy this. Check the name, Caesar MTech. I just copy this here, or you can copy entire URL also, no problem. Oh, sorry, Control Z, Control C. I copy the entire URL. I go here and do some change here. I put the, see, it directly say recent changes you made, means you want to display URL from something from site, or you directly copy. I'll say here from link. Okay, and I put my link here. Okay, and it's a insert. Okay, I inserted the link here. Okay, I change here Caesar MTech student. I say Caesar MTech student, and I change the icon here. Change the icon. See, click on that. So what kind of icon you want? So MTech student will look icon, any kind of icon you can put. Consider student, so people kind of icon. Okay, I select this icon for MTech. Okay, so scroll down and okay, I have changed it. Again I will add another link for BTech. Go here, select here from drop down BTech. Okay, so refresh it, because here I can see the MTech here. Okay, still BTech is not reflecting here. So but here you can see even this link also work, but what I suggest you, While copying the link, go here, site contents, see the student. See, as this is a BTech is the default link, that's why it's displaying, because we have set BTech as a default. You can copy this one also, or means whatever the link you show here, you can copy that. Okay, so I go here and say from link to here, insert. Okay, so Caesar BTech student. Okay, change the icon. If you want to change with custom image, you can put the custom image. So BTech. So I change the image quickly. There are many images are there. There are many kind of image formats. So you can say BTech. Okay, so I have added two images here. Again I will do the this is one web part section. Okay, I click here. How you want? I want the compact or button type. Yes, outline, fill color, what color you want, fill color, alignment, top, center, title, one line, no, two line. Okay, so fill color, outline, fill color. So here you can always, no, button tiles, this whatever I like this. Okay, I say publish. Okay, so here I'm on this page. Now once I click here, I will redirect it to the this page. Okay, and it will display me the only BTech student. Okay, again I will go on the home page. See BTech, all the BTech students, there's three entries for BTech. Okay, again I will go on home page. If I click Caesar make student, it will display only the make candidate details. It will display only the make candidate details. You can see it takes some time to pop up. Why it's stuck? Okay, so it's, you can see here it will display the make student. So on home page, what I did, I have put some links and through which it redirect to the specific place. Okay, so this is about the views, what kind of views, what is the different types of views, and we'll discuss on the public and personal view. Means whenever we create the select the personal, then personal view is specific to that person. Okay, this is all about the views, and